snow.
Here comes the robins. They're all looking for the seed. Look, they're coming from all over. Look, here comes some more down the street.
Hey!
They heard there's food over here.
It's a party going on. Those are
Well, you know what's happening?
What?
You're knocking the snow off and they can get to the berries.
Wow.
That's exactly right.
Cool.
Look at them all.
Wow.
There must be hundreds.
They're coming from all over.
Look. Ah! Hey, it's breakfast time, guys.
Brunch at the...
Look at them all.
Oh, they're calling them from miles away, probably.
Wow, good. I'm glad.
Papanage.
This is amazing. Look at this.
Look, they're all eating the berries.
Your tree's the only one that's open in this part of town right now.